Recruitment isn't just about filling vacancies. It's about making smarter, data-backed hiring decisions. What if your HR team could predict hiring bottlenecks, track recruiter effectiveness, and measure the real ROI of your hiring process? Well, today we will be diving into HR analytics in recruitment, the data side of talent acquisition that separates great HR teams from the rest. Welcome back to HR Analytics and Rewards Lab. On this channel, we simplify HR analytics and rewards for professionals like you. Recruitment analytics matters because it helps you to reduce guesswork in your hiring decisions. It identifies recruitment bottlenecks and drop-off points, tracks your recruiter performance and sourcing effectiveness, and then it improves the quality of your hire and time to fill. And then most importantly, it links your hiring data to business growth and workforce planning. So in essence, when HR analytics is applied to recruitment, hiring becomes measurable, predictable, and scalable. You stop chasing intuition and start building intelligence. Your time to fill or time to hire. That is the average number of days between your job posting and acceptance. Be careful about data manipulation here. You should start to track from the day a vacancy has been approved and not necessarily the day you as an individual within HR starts to source for CV. Then you have the source of hire. Track the channels that yield you the best candidates and then the cost for these candidates from this platform or the cost of using these platforms. Track the quality of hire, post-hire performance, or early retention. You want to know how well they are doing. Are they confirmed early enough, or do you have to put these particular new hires on probation? Offer and acceptance rates, which is the percentage of offers accepted versus the offers declined. This helps you to know how well you are doing in the market in terms of maybe competitiveness or culture. Then your cost per hire, your total recruitment cost divided by the total number of hires. Then also track your new hire turnover, the percentage of new hires that leave your system within 6 to 12 months. These metrics helps tell the recruitment story from end to end. How fast, how efficient, how costly, and ultimately how successful your hiring strategy is. Now let's move beyond reporting into analysis. Identify the patterns of your delay. Is the bottleneck you're experiencing from approvals or sourcing of CVs or at interview stages? Also track the source efficiency. Which of your channel produces high performing hires? Correlate your quality of hire with assessment scores or your interview ratings. Check your ROI on recruitment spend. That is, compare your cost per hire versus your performance outputs. Use trend analysis to forecast hiring needs. This is where data becomes powerful because you're not just reporting the numbers but connecting them. You can link your sourcing channels to performance outcomes and identify which recruiters or departments deliver the best long-term talent. Once you have connected your data set and you have analyzed them, you need to link them to business KPIs. Here are some of the benefits of analyzing and linking them to KPIs. You realize you have reduced productivity gaps, better team performance, stronger employer brand, optimized HR budget utilization, proactive workforce planning. So in essence, when your recruitment analytics links directly to business KPIs, productivity, cost, and retention, it becomes a strategic function, not just an operational one. Data helps you find not just any candidate, but the right one, faster and smarter. So remember, every recruitment number tells a story. Your job as an HR analyst is to make that story actionable. So if you like what we have just discussed here today, please subscribe to this channel for more HR analytics insights.